Welcome to LBank. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of one-click buy and sell crypto on the app, step by step. Log in to the LBank app and navigate to Buy Crypto. Then select One-Click Buy to start. Select One-Click Buy to buy. Choose fiat like USD and crypto like USDT. Enter fiat amount. The system calculates estimated crypto and best offer. Select payment method via payment method. If KYC verification is not complete, system will prompt to ask for a KYC completion first. If KYC is completed, confirm payment method and continue to proceed order. Review order details. Tap Confirm to complete. For selling, tap Sell. Choose crypto like USDT to sell and fiat like USD to receive. Enter crypto amount. Review estimated fiat and best offer. Then tap Sell to proceed the order. Adjust types and tap Payment method for options or more. Enter receiving account details and tap Sell to complete. Enable two-factor authentication and monitor activity for security. Go to Personal Center Security. Set up Passkey and Google Auth. Start small, watch trends. For issues, contact Fiat CS at lbank.com. Funds arrive within 48 hours once order completed. That's it. LBank makes trading secure and easy. Download LBank and get started today.